Hello everyone, Dr. Arshay is here, and today I want to have a discussion regarding Steroxxe. Steroxxe is a brand for the underground marketing steroids, and I want to clarify some stuff about them, their products, the quality, and so on. So before anything, I just want to explain that I do not advocate of taking any kind of steroid, human growth hormone, and if you want to do, please do it at your own risk. Even though in this channel I'm explaining that some brands are better than another brands, it's very subjective to my study, and you should not follow what I'm saying. You should do your own test. Just based on I'm saying this has more purity or that one has less purity, just based on my result, you cannot inject something into your body. You are responsible for your own health. As I always said, my main purpose is that I detect those brands that has higher counterfeit, higher solvent inside, less active ingredient, or even different active ingredient inside, and that's my purposes for this channel. So if you enjoy my channel, please don't forget to help and support my channel, and you can join my Telegram channel or email me, which I will leave it in the description. So let's get into the Steroxxe steroid. Well, how did I come up to know about Steroxxe? Is because they have so many spammers, and they start to sending so many fake messages under every video that I'm posting. Or it's very obvious that suddenly 20 people talk about the Steroxxe, about the PTC Steroxxe, about the steroid, about this steroid is better than Steroxxe is better than every other basically steroids, and it's come to my attention. I tried to delete some of them. Then at some point I realized best is I make a video, but before that I had to do research. So the past 2-3 months I was researching about the Steroxxe, and I'm gonna share the information with you. First, where does it produce? Steroxxe produce in Ukraine. At least Ukraine is one of the places that Steroxxe producing this material. So what are the problems with the Steroxxe? The main problem, I from the Reddit, I managed to contact at least 15 people who have bought this product, and I myself found their website and contacted them through the WhatsApp and through the email. So it's all confirmed to me. But again, you should do your own research. You want to buy Steroxxe, go buy Steroxxe. It's none of my business. First problem is that mostly you won't get your product. There's a very common problem with people who have ordered this product and they never received it. And once they couldn't receive it, no matter how much they contact the origin, they contact the number, they contact the WhatsApp, they totally get blocked and they totally ignored. So this is one of the main problems that you can go through if you want to buy Steroxxe. So this is very dangerous. Your money may technically just disappear. The second problem with the Steroxxe from others who have received some product was the quality of the product. So mainly they were saying that it is underdosed, and for example for sustanon they start to get the lymph leak, which is not something that sustanon should have shown. And after they did some analysis, instead of sustanon component of the sustanon, there was little bit trembolin inside, there was little bit deca inside, there was little bit of enanthate inside. So technically it was like a washed up of all the beakers. Whatever they produced, they just mix it up and put it in the name of mixed testosterone or sustanon, which sustanon has its own component, and those 4 components were not inside this mix. Instead it was mix of so many other steroids that who knows what it was, and it was underdosed. So this was one of the common one. HGH and IGF-1, all right, I already talked about some of the good brands that their HGH and IGF-1 is already questionable. Then if you want to go for Steroxxe, it's up to you. It's basically like you're throwing your money into the dustbin, so it's up to you. And worse than that is your health. And to be honest guys, there are so many brands. I think I've never seen any of them, even though, for example, Evolve Biolab, that I'm big critics of their products. They never come and start spamming my videos, or our product is the best, or this is the best, or that is the best. The only thing with the Evolve Biolab, I had one problem with one of the distributor, that he was so pissed off that I'm saying that their product is underdose. And I discussed with him and I said, if you do the test yourself and you send me the result with the proof that it is not underdose, I will bring down my videos. And he couldn't do it and he stopped, so everything settled that way. So again, Steroxxe is not something I recommend anybody go for it, go after Steroxxe Lab. It's a very weird website. The host is also weird. You cannot, the communication with the people who want to sell it to you is almost like every WhatsApp I sent to them, it takes 3-4 days, and it was basically look like they just want to get my money, and then what happened, what I will get in the future, it just was a mystery. So that was a clarification. I strongly recommend you not to touch Steroxxe or go for buying Steroxxe. And if you are from a Steroxxe company that you're watching this video and you want to prove me wrong, you can contact me and you can send me the sample and I will do the test and I will inform everyone. But so far, I do not believe, because I already asked your company, even I was willing to buy it, but it was very shady. So that's my opinion about this brand. The rest is up to you. I hope this video was interesting for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.